Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you may be new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do here is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Yes, that level pertains. It's just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 38 cents was that level of support going into today, and then that rule played out. You could throw this right into a textbook. I mean, the price fell below it, and then when the price falls below it, according to the rule, that's when you would expect to act as resistance, and that is exactly what happened right there. So I'm not saying 38 cents, that the price can never get back above that area. I'm just saying it makes perfect sense why the price is now struggling right around that area. And in the very near term, if there is going to be any sort of, attempted move back up into the 40s, then 38 cents has now, been certainly confirmed as that key level of resistance to watch in the near term. As far as next levels of support are concerned, it's all about this pink line down here, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average, currently valued at 33 cents. Even if you have just a very basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, you definitely want to see the price stay up above it. So watch that level very closely going forward. And as of right now, the price is doing a good job of consolidating, but if the price does show any more signs of weakness, it would not be shocking at all to see the price at least, go down to the 33 cent mark, if not even lower than that. But again, I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves because, to be fair, right now the price is doing a good job of just going sideways right around that area. So again, going forward, key level of resistance in the near term, 38 cents, and then key overall level of support down there at 33 cents, which is the 200 period moving average. The week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.